In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to send email from GitHub. This is particularly useful when you want to receive notifications about repository activity directly in your inbox, keeping you updated without constantly checking GitHub. First, open your web browser and head over to github.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. After logging in, look at the left panel where you'll find a list of your repositories. Click on the repository where you want to configure email notifications. Once you're inside the repository, look at the top toolbar and click on Settings. In the Settings page, look through the available options for the notification settings related to your repository. Here, you can configure how you receive updates about activity such as commits, pull requests, issues, and other repository events. If you want GitHub notifications delivered to a specific email address, make sure that email address is added and verified on your GitHub account. You can then adjust your notification preferences to control which repository activities you want to receive by email. Once you've configured your preferences, save or confirm your notification settings. GitHub will now send notifications to your configured email address whenever there is relevant activity on the repository. And that's it. You've successfully configured GitHub email notifications to stay updated on your repository activity. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next.